Class 9. Subject Science Chemistry. Chapter 1. Matter in our surroundings. Topics to be learned in this video. Can matter change its state? Effect of change of temperature and effect of change of pressure. Can matter change its state? Yes, the state of matter are interconvertible. The state of matter can be changed by changing the temperature or pressure. For example, water present in three states: solid, as ice; liquid, as water; gas, as water vapor. They are interconvertible by changing in temperature or pressure. Effect of change of temperature. On increasing the temperature of solids, the kinetic energy of the particles increases. Due to the increase in kinetic energy, the particles start vibrating with greater speed. The energy supplied by heat overcomes the forces of attraction between the particles. The particles leave their fixed positions and start moving more freely. A stage is reached when the solid melts and is converted to a liquid. Melting point. The minimum temperature at which a solid melts to become a liquid at the atmospheric pressure is called its melting point. The melting point of ice is 273.15 Kelvin. The process of melting, that is, change of solid state into liquid state, is also known as fusion. When a solid melts, its temperature remains the same, so where does the heat energy go? Latent heat. When we heat ice, as this heat energy is absorbed by ice without showing any rise in temperature, it is considered that it gets hidden into the contents of the beaker and is known as the latent heat. The hidden heat which breaks the force of attraction between the molecules is known as latent heat. Latent heat of fusion. The heat energy required to convert 1 kilogram of a solid into liquid at atmospheric pressure at its boiling point is known as the latent heat of fusion. When we supply heat energy to water, particles start moving even faster. At a certain temperature, a point is reached when the particles have enough energy to break free from the forces of attraction of each other. At this temperature, the liquid starts changing into gas. Boiling point. The temperature at which a liquid starts boiling at the atmospheric pressure is known as its boiling point. Boiling is a bulk phenomenon. Particles from the bulk of the liquid gain enough energy to change into the vapor state. For water, this temperature is 373 Kelvin. The latent heat of vaporization. Latent heat of vaporization is the heat energy required to change 1 kilogram of a liquid into gas at atmospheric pressure at its boiling point. So, we infer that the state of matter can be changed into another state by changing the temperature. Sublimation and deposition. A change of state directly from solid to gas without changing into liquid state is called sublimation. The direct change of gas to solid without changing into liquid is called deposition. For example, when camphor heated, it is directly changes from solid state to gaseous state. Effect of change of pressure. Gases can be liquefied by applying pressure and reducing temperature. Solid carbon dioxide gets converted directly to gaseous state on decreasing pressure to 1 atmosphere without coming into liquid state. Solid carbon dioxide is also known as dry ice. Thus, we can say that pressure and temperature determine the state of a substance, whether it will be solid, liquid or gas. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.